Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about 1,000 important one-liners. First six parts I put MCQs, but now, according to your demand, I decide to put one-liners. This is the part six. This is the part eight. So let's discuss. Two patient with atherosclerosis. Remember, two patient with atherosclerosis. One is diabetic mellitus, other is non-diabetic. In relation to non-diabetic, diabetic patient has 100 times increased risk of lower limb ischemia. Okay, for diabetic. In pneumonia, severity of scale is most important factor is age. In case of pneumonia, the severity factor is determined by age. A boy is suffering from acute pyelonephritis. Acute pyelonephritis. Most specific urinary finding is WBC cast. Urinary routine we see WBC cast. Okay. Now, a 46-year-old man with constipation and abdominal pain. Constipation, abdominal pain, mucus in stool, sense incomplete emptying. On exam, left iliac fossa tenderness. It is due to diverticular disease. Okay. Most specific association of SCC, hepatocellular carcinoma by hepatitis B. Okay. A patient with transmural thrombi, streptokinase and warfarin started. After initial sign of thrombolysis should be stopped. It is pericardial effusion. We have to stop then. Thrombolytics can be given in treatment of acute MI. Patient comes within 12 hours. If patient come within 12 hours, then we can give thrombolytics. Okay. Now, old hypertensive man. Treatment with aspirin, sorbitrate, atenolol, sudden fall in bathroom, black stool present. When patient present in emergency room, hypotension and tachycardia. Diagnosis is it is gastric ulcer bleed. Aspirin causes blood thin and bleeding also sometimes, and also gastric ulcer. So this is a case of gastric ulcer. That's why patient diagnosis here this. Child undergone induction before surgery, suddenly develops tachycardia, unable to open mouth, EtCO2 increase, CO2 metabolic acidosis, respiratory alkalosis. Start treatment with IV dantrolene. This is a case of what? This is a case of hyperthermia, malignant hyperthermia. Okay, but IV dantrolene not available in India. Remember, guys. Most reliable test to detect spinal TB is by MRI. MRI is the most reliable test. So this part is complete. And if you like this video, put like on it. And if you have any queries, any comments regarding this, you can ask me. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. And thank you. Good day and good.